Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tresha. I am excited to share two things with you. First, I'm doing another great DIY video. Secondly, I am hosting my first challenge on YouTube. Yay! It is called the Easter Bunny Challenge and is brought to you by eFavorMart. If you are not familiar with eFavorMart, it is an awesome company to go to if you are decorating an event. They pretty much have everything that you could think of. I even use their mirrors to do my wall mirror, and I will link that at the top. It is a really cool DIY project that I did, and a lot of people have actually done it and have sent pictures to me, so thank you again for sharing that with me if you have done this project. I also use their products to decorate my coffee table, my dining tables for clients and for my home. Okay, so guys, if you have a YouTube channel, this is a challenge you want to enter. So one, you have the opportunity to showcase your work. Two, you are able to set up another stream of income for yourself. And three, you have an opportunity to win a $500 prize. Sounds good, right? You ready to sign up? Well, here's what you have to do. So the first thing I would like for you to do is email me at designsbytresha@gmail.com, and please include your YouTube channel name. That way I'll be able to add you to the list of participants and send you more information that you'll need to know in order to participate in the challenge. You will create a DIY Easter Bunny themed craft or a tabletop setup. The challenge begins today and ends on April the 12th, so it's better to enter sooner rather than later. I wanted to share with you my Easter themed project, which I thought would be especially helpful for those that are like me and are not good with creating floral arrangements. This is an easy way to make a really pretty one. I purchased 2 dozen silk white roses, eucalyptus stems, and 2 bunches of blush peonies. I am going to first split up the flowers using my clippers. After I do that, I want to cut off the leaves on the roses. Next, I'm going to fluff up the flowers using my heat gun. You could also use a hairdryer to do this. It takes about 30 seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to put all the roses in my vase. I absolutely love this vase. Look at the gold base. Next, I'm going to add eucalyptus stems around the perimeter of the roses. I made sure to space them out a bit. Now I'm going to add 3 blush roses randomly towards the middle. Next, I'm adding the blush peonies in between the white roses. After I have all the flowers in, it was time to adjust the flowers. I did this until I liked the end result. Here's how it turned out. I only used 3 different items to achieve this look. The same process can be used regardless of the color. The possibilities are endless. I really hope that you enjoyed that video. I hope you found it very helpful and something that you can apply with things that you're doing around your house. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer that. And if you're going to enter the challenge, make sure you send me an email at designsbytresha@gmail.com. I will share all the information that you need to get started. The challenge begins today and it ends April the 12th. So guys, good luck to you and stay well. Okay, bye. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.